A maintenance program is not just about keeping everything up and running. It is also about considering how maintenance impacts the product and the health and safety of consumers. It used to be common practice that a facility would only conduct maintenance in response to an active issue. This reactive approach, however, did not usually result in continual improvement, nor did it reflect due regard for the higher risk involved in producing consumable goods, where failure can mean a significant threat to public health and safety. As I said before, maintenance has a direct impact on your ability to control things like pest infestations, microbial growth, effective cleaning and sanitization, and so forth. These, in turn, directly impact product quality and safety. Thus, maintenance should not be reactive, but rather proactive, meaning that we must think ahead and identify potential issues so that we can stop them before they occur. This is not only more safe, but also more economical. The consequences for reactive maintenance, including downtime and recalls, are often more costly than the cost of preventive maintenance. So, in the modern age, a preventive maintenance program is preferred. This means treating your facility, grounds, and equipment like you might treat an expensive sports car. The proud new owner of an expensive sports car would probably frequently clean and inspect the car, schedule regular maintenance and checkups, and eagerly show off the car's powerful engine and nice clean leather interior to friends and neighbors. Likewise, your facility should undergo regular cleanings and inspections, scheduled preventive maintenance, and be ready for an audit by customers or regulatory bodies at any time. The idea is to show pride in ownership and to prevent problems before they escalate into embarrassing and costly issues.